Welcome back. This is video number 4, your high ticket offer. I'm really excited because I get to really show you the method finally. So essentially what we want to do is start with the end product first. So I want to ask you, what is your most expensive item? What is the big item that your biggest customers, your premium buyers are going to buy? And this typically will be at the very end of your funnel, regardless of what your strategy of your funnel is. It's going to be the most expensive item at the very end. So let me give you some practical examples so that you can actually visualize what this looks like. So maybe you can have the most expensive item could be consulting, could be coaching, could be a mastermind group, could be home study courses, could be an expensive physical item. Now, if you think about these examples, what do most of these have in common? Well, consulting, coaching, you're not really going to have a lot of time to consult everybody. You're not going to have a lot of time to coach everybody. You're not going to have a lot of time to mastermind with everybody. These are kind of like your exclusive closed group of people. These are your high-end customers. Home study course could be the same thing. It could be, high ticket home study course, and maybe you can only make that available to a select few. Same goes with an expensive physical item. So that's really what I want you to get at. So for the homework for this video, I want you to go ahead and jot down what your high ticket item is going to be. So if you need to pause this video and do that, please do that now. If you don't have a product yet, that's fine. You can come back later. But basically not everyone will be able to afford this, but rather your premium buyers. This is kind of like your end goal. Once you have jot that down and you watch this next video here, it's all going to make sense. All right?